Hello, kids! Welcome. Today we will play a great game. We will recognize animals, discover words, and put the letters in the right order to go on a big adventure. Look carefully at the screen. You will see an animal. But wait, its name is a bit confused. There is an animal on the screen, but its name is written like this. TCA. Now it's up to you. Put the letters in the correct order and find the animal's name. Ready? 3, 2, 1, started. Come on, raise your hand if you have the right answer. You're the best. Here comes our new animal. But his name is a bit confusing. G-O-D. Put the letters in the correct order and let's find it. Correct answer. Well done. Here's another animal. Here's its confusing name. O-N-I-L. Who found it? You're the best. Here comes another one. Here's his name mixed up like this. A-R-B-E. Let's solve it. Correct answer. Well done. Our next animal is a tiny little fellow. His name's all mixed up. U-M-O-S-E. Who guessed correctly? Bravo! Now a slightly dangerous animal. His name is mixed up too. A K-E-N-S. Did you find it? You guys are awesome. And finally, on to the next chapter for more fun. See you guys soon.